Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to keep getting updates on informative tech insights. Today, we are going to answer an interesting question. How can I containerize a legacy Java war application using Docker and deploy it to AWS ECS? Docker is a tool designed to make it easier to create, deploy, and run applications by using containers. Containers allow a developer to package up an application with all the parts it needs, like libraries and other dependencies, and ship it all out as one package. So, essentially Docker provides a way to run your applications isolated from your host system, using the resources of your host. Let's move on to containerizing a legacy Java war application. The first step is to create a Docker file. A Docker file is simply a text-based script of instructions that is used to create a container image. For a Java war application, your Docker file would be quite simple. Here's an example. From Tomcat 8.0. Add sample.war/usr/local/tomcat/webapps/. This Docker file does two things. First, it's saying that we want to base our container on the Tomcat 8.0 image. Second, it's adding the sample.war file to the Tomcat web apps directory in the container. Next, we have to build the Docker image using the docker build command, docker build t-my-app. The t flag tags our image. In this case, we are tagging the image with the name my-app. And finally, the dot is the location of the Docker file and application code. Once we have our Docker image, we can deploy it to AWS Elastic Container Service. ECS is a highly scalable and high-performance service provided by AWS for running applications on a managed cluster of servers. First, we'll need to push the Docker image to the Amazon Elastic Container Registry. Here's how you can do it. AWS ECR get login password region Docker login username AWS passwords to xxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxx ecr.region.amazon.os.com/myAppLatest Docker push xxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxx is a cluster and a service in ECS which would refer to this Docker image and run the application. And that's it. You've now successfully containerized a legacy Java war application using Docker and deployed it to AWS ECS. The same approach can be used to containerize and deploy other applications as well. So, Docker and AWS ECS together provide a powerful tool for managing your applications. In our next video, we'll cover how to scale and monitor your applications running on ECS. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. As always, if you have any questions or feedback, do leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.